Saved it. Saved the best for the end. Watch out. No. Watch out. Pull it out slowly. So we got some boxes today. Bring me the rolling chair. Alright, let's see. So we got a couple boxes. And alright, so let's see what all we got here. I'll pass you stuff and you can put on the Paxton Supercharger. This is the colder intake hose with all the stuff. They put it slowly on the floor over there. K&N filter for a stock box, which I'm not going to use, so this might be out for sale. You got the lubricant for it. 3 different changes. Yep. We got some instructions. Yeehaw. Put these on the table over there. Alright, let's see what's in here.
What's in there?
Easy.
What is that?
Clamps. We got some clamps here. Oh, I think this is the blowout valve. Yeah. The blowout valve. Open it up.
What does that do?
Once you it releases air as you're going, and once you get on the gas and you get on boost, it shuts the valve and it sends all the air to the engine. And then when you let go, it lets the air out again. So it goes.
And that noise
makes all the cool noises. This might be it. Jesus Christ, this thing is huge.
Is it heavy?
Vortex. Huh?
Is it heavy?
Oh, a little bit. Be careful. Jesus Christ. Got some pipes.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's the one that goes to the intake manifold. Some clamps. Some more bending tubes, probably for the intercooler.
What's this?
Some gaskets.
Oh, that's that.
Some more piping. Should we put that back? Yeah, easy. Hoses, the bracket, and more hoses.
What's this?
Just some more hardware. There you go. Shows the scissors. Ooh, heavy. All right. Okay, there's another bracket. It's the bracket for the supercharger.
What's that?
Huh?
What's this?
It's the belt. Hold it. It's the bracket for the supercharger. That's where it's gonna go. Get mounted.
Huh?
It's where the bracket's gonna get mounted for the supercharger. This is more hardware.
Where's the
Give me that.
supercharger?
Give me that. Easy.
Whoa.
Easy. That's the filter. Probably open it. Oh, Jesus. This is a big old box. Air box. And we got DLT. Probably got the map tube and the instructions. Yeah, easy with the filter. Huh?
What's the filter? Never mind.
Big old filter.
Okay, I need help.
No, let's open it here. Get the box out. Get the box out. Yeah, over here. Hold it. Hold the scissors. Get the scissors. Right, be careful. No, never put your hand in there. There you go, yep. Always away from you. Alright, let's see. Close the scissors. Don't leave them open like that. Oh yeah, look how pretty.
What is this?
Vortex. This is the intercooler.
This is big.
Yeah, watch out. Let's open it up.
What is this? Wow.
So we can paint it. So we can paint it a different color on it. It's all nice and black.
What's this?
Stealthy.
What is this?
Intercooler.
What is this thing?
Cozy air. Give me the... See? You put it here and you paint it, and it'll say it. Vortex.
Is this the supercharger?
It's the last box. Saved it.
Important box.
Saved the best for the end. Watch out. No. Watch out. Pull it out slowly.
This is a supercharger?
Yeah, buddy. This is the back.
What's the front look like? Dang.
Oh yeah. Right there. Paxton. Paxton Novi.
Superchargers.
Yep. There you have it. That's the whole kit. So yeah, we'll see when we're gonna get this done. I still gotta wait. Tomorrow I get the... Tomorrow comes in the ARP bolt with the MMR washer, the Porta 18 manifold that I'm trading in for my CJ and some cash up top, and the thermostat. So that's why I haven't put any other stuff back together. I gotta put the tensioner, the pulley. Once I get the thermostat, swap it, put all that hosing back in here. When the 18 manifold gets in here, I put it in here. I'll plug all the coil packs, plug the injectors, make sure everything's tightened up and all good to go, get everything buttoned up, and then put the water pump pulley back on. And after that, it's supercharger install time. And once we're done, oh yeah, I gotta do the sway bar. Gotta put the sway bar back here, attach it back over there. I have the fan is over here, the radiator fan. I gotta put that one back together in there too. So that's pretty much it. Here's the engine sort of back together. Hopefully once we put everything together and we start it, it runs fine and the timing is all good. So say a prayer for me and we shall see. Peace.